Imagine, if you will, a civilization advanced beyond our wildest dreams. A civilization that has reached Type 3 status on the Kardashev scale. For those unfamiliar, the Kardashev scale is a hypothetical measure of a civilization's technological advancement based on the energy it is capable of utilizing. A Type 3 civilization, the pinnacle of this scale, can harness and control energy on a galactic scale. It's a civilization with the ability to manipulate the very energy output of its galaxy. A society so advanced it could potentially colonize entire star systems, build megastructures that dwarf our most impressive feats of engineering, and tap into power sources that we can only dream of. Imagine humanity not confined to our tiny blue dot, but flourishing across the cosmos, wielding the power of stars and shaping the galaxy to our will. So, what if humanity reached this Type 3 status? What would our lives look like then? But before we dive in, consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Since we are still kinda small, your support would mean a lot to us. Harnessing energy on a galactic scale would be the first hallmark of a Type 3 civilization. As humans, we've barely scratched the surface of our own planet's energy potential, let alone that of the universe. Yet imagine a civilization that has mastered the art of energy extraction from every star in their galaxy. The energy output of 1 trillion suns at their disposal, an arsenal of power so immense it's hard to fathom. Energy mastery of this magnitude would unlock the door to interstellar travel. The vast distances of space, once insurmountable, could be conquered with relative ease. Our descendants might roam the galaxy not as wanderers but as pioneers, colonizing distant worlds, turning the cold, dark corners of the universe into vibrant hubs of life. Now let's push our imaginations further to the construction of megastructures. Picture a Dyson sphere, a colossal construction enveloping a star, capturing and utilizing its energy output. Or consider a ring world, a gargantuan band encircling a star, providing a living space with an area millions of times that of Earth. These mind-boggling engineering feats would not just be possible, but routine for a Type 3 civilization. And what of the implications of such advancements? The power to manipulate stars, to traverse galaxies, to construct megastructures would redefine existence as we know it. Each new colony, each inhabited megastructure would add a new thread to the rich tapestry of galactic culture. The exchange of ideas, the fusion of philosophies, the collective growth of a galactic community would be as boundless as the universe itself. We stand at the precipice of this potential future, gazing into the abyss of the unknown, fueled by a curiosity that has guided us since our earliest days. With such capabilities, the stars would indeed be the limit, a future where our children's children might not look up at the night sky and wonder. In a Type 3 civilization, technology would be so advanced it would seem like magic to us. Just picture it. Artificial intelligence so sophisticated that it would blur the line between organic and synthetic life. We're not talking about simple voice assistants or self-driving cars. We're talking about sentient beings, capable of independent thought and emotional understanding. Imagine having a conversation with a being who can process information at the speed of light, yet still empathize with the human condition. Now let's delve into the realm of nanotechnology. Imagine a world where tiny, molecular machines could be injected into your body to fight diseases or repair damaged tissue. It's like having an army of microscopic doctors inside you, ensuring you're always in your prime. Or consider the possibilities of constructing buildings or even entire cities atom by atom. Then there's quantum computing, which could revolutionize the way we process information. Traditional computers use bits, ones, and zeros to process information, but quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits, which can be both 1 and 0 simultaneously thanks to a phenomenon known as superposition. This could allow for computational speeds that are astronomically higher than what we have today. But what about the societal implications of such advancements? A Type 3 civilization would likely be home to a vast array of cultures, not just from different parts of the world, but from different parts of the galaxy. Imagine the richness of cultural exchange that would result from interacting with alien civilizations. The art, the music, the philosophy, the science, it would be a melting pot of ideas and traditions unlike anything we've ever seen. Such advancements in technology would not only revolutionize our way of life, but also redefine our understanding of life itself. The possibilities are both thrilling and humbling, making us question our place in the universe. Such a civilization would be a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and technologies from across the galaxy. Reaching Type 3 status isn't going to be easy. There are several challenges we need to overcome. But let's remember that no journey worth undertaking has ever been without its fair share of obstacles. Firstly, we must confront technological hurdles head-on. How do we harness energy on a galactic scale? How do we store it? How do we propel ourselves across the cosmos? These questions demand solutions that push the boundaries of our current understanding of physics and engineering. Next, we have environmental concerns. As we expand our presence into the cosmos, we must ensure that we do so sustainably. Preserving ecosystems, both here on Earth and potentially on other planets, is paramount. We must learn to be not just inhabitants, but stewards of the places we colonize. Thirdly, we have socio-political obstacles to overcome. A Type 3 civilization requires global cooperation on a scale we have yet to achieve. We must find ways to overcome conflicts and disparities that have long divided us. The journey to the stars is a collective one, and no one should be left behind. Finally, we face ethical dilemmas. As we develop advanced technologies, we must grapple with questions of AI ethics and the rights of potentially sentient beings. We must also consider how to preserve and respect the diversity of cultures that make up our species, even as we become a galactic civilization. These challenges are vast and complex. They require us to stretch our minds, our empathy, our ingenuity to their limits and beyond. But let's not forget that we as a species have always risen to the challenge. We've sequenced the human genome and we've set foot on the moon. These challenges are daunting but not insurmountable. Together, we can overcome them and shape a future that's truly out of this world. Despite the challenges, the possibilities of a Type 3 civilization are awe-inspiring. Picture it. An era where we harness and utilize energy on a galactic scale, where interstellar travel becomes as common as a road trip. Imagine a time when we can construct megastructures like Dyson spheres and ring worlds, an age where artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and quantum computing are the norm, not the exception. We could witness an explosion of cultural diversity as we mingle with alien civilizations, explore the multiverse, and delve into the nature of consciousness itself. The road to becoming a Type 3 civilization is paved with discoveries in astrophysics, quantum mechanics, and biotechnology. While the journey is fraught with technological, environmental, and socio-political hurdles, the potential rewards are simply staggering. So think about it. What role will you play in shaping the future of humanity? Because the journey to a Type 3 civilization starts with us, and it starts now. Are you still here? If so, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you enjoyed it. See you next time.